everyone. I'm Pratima Santosh from EduTV. We have Mr. Sanjay Narvaria with us, who's the principal of DPS Udaipur. Sir, welcome to our show. So how have you been all these days?
Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
It's my privilege and I pay my gratitude to EduTV for bringing this platform for all educationists to share their views for various problems and the solutions for that. Really credit goes to EduTV for bringing such good platform for all the educationists in India. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, EduTV.
Thank you, sir. So now, in the prevailing situation, people are confused. I mean, all of us, like, we are worried as how is this going to impact us? What is going to happen in the future? So are our students. So what do you want to tell our students about? Like, very much in a dilemma as what to take up next or what can be the situation in the upcoming days. So what do you want to tell them, sir?
Very first thing, I would advise the children of India that they should have faith, not fear. Reason behind that, when this pandemic started in the month of March, the most of the school generally, when they were not ready for this online teaching, for this remote teaching, generally, I must appreciate my teachers, the community of teachers of India, the way they themselves prepared for this education, and children are being benefited. Although I must say there are a few positive and negative points also, which I'll talk always about. Community. Community is having three important elements: parents, teachers, and child. Initially, those days before pandemic, I must say there was the role of teacher was important. 90% role was of teacher. Now in this pandemic, when teachers are not directly connected to the children, they are connected remotely, the role of parents starts here. What we say that the parents are the second teacher. Like life cannot start. Similarly, we will say that education cannot stop in any situation. Like this is the era of redesigning of schooling. This is the era of, I must say, reinvention of education. I'm repeating this point, that reinvention of education, it means that what we say that is hybrid teaching. This is reinvention of education because now the children, they are not connected with only school. They have found the various number of ways to gain the knowledge because as we say that knowledge has no limit. Although there are some emotional or social factors are there which are affecting the children, but in that situation, most of the school, I must say, they have found the various ways. I feel proud to say that in my school itself, when we continue 5 days or continuous classes, and 6th day, that is Saturday. Saturday, they have all music, dance, and art periods generally. And to fill up the peer pressure gap generally, what was lacking behind, most of the special assemblies which we conducted, I must say the Teachers' Day or maybe celebration of Eid or celebration of Janmashtami, the children, they themselves have planned out that one also. They came with very, very good ideas. And really, I must say the morning assemblies, they came with the proper uniform, just like they conducted the whole assembly. Teachers initially were not ready, but now they have accepted it. And this hybrid system, I must say, will be beneficial. Even the pandemic will stop, but this hybrid system will be beneficial in the longer run, I'll say. And again, I must appreciate all educationists, all the teachers, because in a very short span of time, they learn within a week and they started those classes, online classes, so that the keeping the safety and security of children education must continue. Education should reach to their home.
It was really nice. So you being a visionary in the field of education, you believe that class 12 students, they are not supposed to get scared of anything, and they can be sure, they can wait that the world is going to be as normal as it was earlier, and everything is going to be fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. And I am very much privileged to have you here with us. That was really nice talking to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Pratima ma'am. It's my pleasure to be connected with the Edu TV. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.